Hello students, how are you? I think you all are well, quite well, isn't it? Students, from this video onwards we are going to cover a new chapter, that is surface area and volumes. It is the chapter number 13 of NCERT book. Clear? So students, before starting the chapter, I want to clear something that you all know about the plane figures and solid figures. जानते हो ना what are plane figures and what are solid figures? Simply, a plane figure has two dimensions only, that is length and breadth, is it? And we can take examples, that is triangle, rectangle, squares and etc. But the solid figure has three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height, or we can say depth. Clear? That means we can take examples: cylinder, cone, then spheres, cubes, cuboids, etc. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study how to find the areas and volumes of two solids or combination of two solids. Clear? You all know what are the surface area and volumes of cube, cuboid, cylinder, then cone, sphere, hemisphere. These things you all know and you have studied in the previous year. Clear? Today, or from this OEB video, we are going to start our exercise number 13.1 and I am taking question number 2. In this question, we have given that a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Mounted by a hollow cylinder मतलब एक ऐसा वेसल है जो कि नीचे से हेमिस्फीयर के फॉर्म में है और उसके ऊपर माउंटेड मतलब उसके ऊपर एक होलो सिलेंडर रखा हुआ है. क्लियर? The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So first of all, in this chapter, we have to draw the figures. On the basis of figure, we will solve the question. Clear? So first of all, we will draw the figure. We have given a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Okay. That means this is the hemisphere. Clear? This is the hemisphere. These are the radius and the diameter is given. That means diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. That means this is the center. So this is 7 centimeter. And this also 7 centimeter, and this radius, it is also the radius. This part is also the radius. That means, or we can say it is height. According to this figure, we can see this is the height from here to here. Clear? Now this hemisphere is mounted by a hollow cylinder. So we will draw here a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. Clear? So this is 7 centimeter. Radius of this hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Similarly, this radius will become 7 centimeter. We can write here 7 centimeter. From here to here, it is 7 centimeter. And the total height is given 13 centimeter. That means this part is 6 centimeter. Clear? The total height is 13 centimeter up to here. समझ आ रहा है? First of all, we have to draw the figure. On the basis of this figure, we will solve the question. So figure पहले question समझ में आना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन समझने के बाद आपको फिगर ड्रॉ करना है. क्लियर? अगर ये फिगर उल्टा पुल्टा बन गया तो आपका कुछ मार्क्स कट सकते हैं. क्लियर. सो इट इज अ हेमिस्फीयर, होल हेमिस्फीयर, एंड इसके ऊपर एक सिलेंडर रखा गया है. हाइट ऑफ द और रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर इज 7 centimeter. That means height of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter, and the total height of the vessel, this is the vessel, this form is of the vessel, total height is 13 centimeter. So 7 centimeter here है, remaining part is 6 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter and the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Clear? यहाँ तक clear हो गया? Okay. Now फाइंड द इनर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेसल. हमको क्या करना है, हमको इसका और इसका दोनों का इनर सरफेस एरिया निकाल के दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो टोटल वेसल का इनर सरफेस एरिया मालूम चल जाएगा. इतना क्लियर हुआ? सो वी विल राइट हियर, इन केस ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, in case of hemisphere, what is radius? Radius is equal to r is equal to 7 centimeter or 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. Clear? So therefore inner surface area of hemisphere is equal to, what is the area or curved surface area of hemisphere of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So what is the inner surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. Here we write 2 into pi into r square, that is 7 into 7, 7 into 7, that is 7 7 ja 49 into 2, 98 pi centimeter square. Clear? Now, in case of, it is our first part, in case of cylinder, radius is equal to r is equal to 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. Clear? Then height is equal to h is equal to total height 13 minus 7 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? Now inner surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Yes, you are right, 2 pi r h. Then 2 pi r h, put the values of r and h, is equal to 2 into pi into 7 into 6, that is 6 7 ja 42, 42 into 2, that is 84 pi centimeter square. Now inner surface area of the vessel, give it to part 2. हमने क्या किया, सिलेंडर का इनर सरफेस एरिया निकाल लिया, हेमिस्फीयर का इनर सरफेस एरिया निकाल लिया. अब नाउ वी विल फाइंड द इनर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेसल. व्हाट वी डू, we will add these two parts then to find the answer. Okay, is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 is 98 pi plus 84 pi centimeter square, that is 98 plus 84 pi centimeter square. 98 plus 84 to 182 pi, that is 22 upon 7 centimeter square. 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 6 the 26 into 22, 26 into 22, that is 572 centimeter square is the required answer. So students, pause the video to be noted down.